In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with GitHub. By the end, you'll have a reliable connection that brings your GitHub work into Notion so you can track code-related tasks right alongside your notes and projects. Start by opening Notion and looking to the top left corner of the sidebar. Click your profile name there. This opens the account menu tied to the workspace you're currently viewing. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the one where you want the integration enabled, since connections are managed at the workspace level. Next, choose Settings. Depending on your version, this may appear as Settings and Members. This is where you manage workspace-wide configuration, permissions, and integrations. If you don't see what you need, you might need a workspace admin to grant access. In the left-hand panel of the Settings window, select Connections. Connections is where Notion surfaces official and third-party apps that can integrate with your workspace. It's also the place you'll come back to if you ever need to disconnect or adjust permissions later. Within Connections, find the Notion MCP option and click Explore. This opens the detailed page for the integration framework that powers this connection. Think of it as the bridge that helps Notion communicate with external tools like GitHub in a structured, permissioned way. On this page, you'll see what the integration can do and how it requests access. Now locate the GitHub option and click Connect. You'll be redirected to GitHub to authorize access. Sign in if prompted, then choose the organization and repositories you want to connect. For security, grant the least access necessary. Select only the repos your team needs. If your organization restricts third-party app installations, you may need an admin to approve the connection before continuing. To complete the setup, click Install MCP Server. This takes you to the GitHub repository for the Notion MCP server, where you'll find the install option. Follow the prompts to install it to your account or organization, again choosing the specific repositories you want to include. When the installation finishes, return to Notion. In Connections, you should now see GitHub listed under your connected apps. If you don't see it immediately, refresh the page or reopen Settings. That's it. You've integrated Notion with GitHub using Notion MCP. From here, you can manage permissions in GitHub Settings or in Notion's Connections page as your needs evolve. Keeping scopes limited and reviewing access periodically helps maintain both functionality and security. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother workflow with Notion and GitHub working together.